To love yourself is truly a journey of acceptance and welcoming joy and happiness into your life, no matter what is going on around you. And that is exactly what this course aims to do. Imagine waking up in the morning feeling excited just because, and going to bed with a long list of things that you are grateful for from things that happened to you that day. It is all very, very, very possible, and it's all right here. In this course, you will learn how to unblock and unlock things that are holding you back from truly loving yourself, one step at a time. When I was prompted to teach this class, I was kind of arguing with myself. I told myself that I didn't know enough about the subject, but then something inside of me told me that I did, that I needed to share with you what I've done for myself in the past few years to get myself back on my feet and be happy in my own skin. That doesn't make me a love guru at all, but it's kind of like I know your pain and I walked in your shoes. So I am super, super excited to take you on this journey with me, and I know your stories after taking this class will be amazing in both small and big ways. Love is the foundation of all. So why wouldn't we start here? And honestly, why wouldn't everything we do start here? I have thought about this quite a bit, and I think it's been kind of overlooked in today's society with all the hustle and bustle and busy schedules and all of that. The love that I'm talking about is the unconditional love that the divine gives us. That love we must give ourselves. The love that comes from within. It doesn't come with a new car, a fit body, and $1 million income, even if those are all nice to have. It comes from something so much bigger than that, untouchable with your bare hands, but yet so, so powerful. Without this foundation of love, everything else that we build on top of it will be kind of shaky. It's like building a house on mud. Fear and worries will hinder us, and we will never truly feel like we have enough or are enough. The should-haves, could-haves, would-haves will put us in shame, and we will never be able to trust ourselves fully. I know that you have heard of the term, to love someone else, you must first love yourself. And we will for sure dig deeper into what this really means as we go along. I'm a Christian, and I base this course on the idea that God is love. It does not mean that you have to be Christian to benefit from this course. No, not at all. I believe that whatever we feel in our hearts, and to whatever source and power that we connect to when we pray, meditate, and even yell at when we're angry, is a divine source of love. You can use whatever name you want for your divine source. It doesn't really matter. When I was growing up, I did not have a name for it. I always used to say, I believe in something. I just don't know what it is, and I don't know what to call it. But the truth is, you don't have to call it anything to believe that it's there. It could be there anyway, right? When we love ourselves unconditionally, other things seem to happen to us automatically. It will be easier to achieve tasks such as that new car or that fit body. Something that we would originally call a struggle might become a daily display of self-love. And I kind of want to talk about this because I want you to start to pay attention to these positive changes, no matter how insignificant they might feel at the moment. But you might start seeing yourself smiling more, or achieving tasks faster, or you might start seeing beauty in yourself and others and places. Whatever source and power that brought you here, I am deeply grateful for having you in this class. And I know that your heart and soul is thanking you too.